Nepeta, so like cat mint, marigolds and French marigolds, mint, pineapple mint, whatever sort of mints you like, and chives are extremely efficient at at repelling soft-bodied insects from your plants. This means if you plant them in and around your garden, they'll also repel them from the rest of your garden as well. So they do have a really good barrier effect, or shield effect, if you like. Wherever you put them in your garden, they tend to protect the plants around them. A lot of herbs do this as a really good companion plant. So by the way they have a strong scent, so like sage and things like that. This is why chives are really good, because of the really strong oniony scent, especially if you cut them and they have the wounds, if you like, they seep out. That chive oil, the oniony smell that they give off, it's very effective. Keeps the pests away. Very good. But a lot of herbs do this really well because of the scent they give off. It disguises the plants around them, and then it will also deter sort of nuisance insects as well, because they don't like the smell. They can't do the strong scent. Carrot flies are really good. If you plant coriander with carrots, carrot and coriander, we all know goes together very well in a soup. But if you plant coriander, or even parsley, if you want to go down the parsley route, same sort of thing, plant it with carrots, it will keep carrot fly away, because if you damage a carrot, like a leaf or anything, that attracts in the carrot fly. If you do that and you've got coriander planted around them, the carrot fly can't smell the damage, so they won't know where the carrots are to find them. So that's a really good way of companion planting. We're planting herbs in and around your vegetable patch. Lemon-scented herbs work really well as well to repel nuisance flying insects as well. So very useful to have in a pot when you have a barbecue or a party outside. So like a citronella candle, you'd burn it to keep gnats and things away. Lemon, like lemon balm, anything like that, lemon-scented herbs. If you crunch them a little bit, like crunch the plant to release some of the oils, this works really well as well with like essential oils, lemony or citrus essential oils. So it works very well. But lemon herbs are nicer. So if you have lemon-scented herbs, scrunch them a bit, have them in a pot around your barbecue area or whatever. They do a very good job of keeping the gnats away. I tend to grow, going back to the marigolds, Nepeta, mint and chives, I tend to grow these plants in particular in pots. They tend to be quite, especially mint, quite invasive. And they can grow wild in your garden if you're not careful. So by growing in the pots, they're easy to manage. You do have to watch the roots going down through the bottom of the pot. So if you put a crock in the bottom of the pot, it does tend to prevent them growing through the pot, which is always good. Or just move the pot around every now and then and trim the roots. You could do that as well. But growing them in pots is definitely a better way to go, because it prevents them taking over your garden and causing them to become the issue rather than them solving an issue. And plus, if you grow them in pots, you can move them around your garden to wherever the issue might be. So you don't have to have them in one particular space all the time. You can move them around, which is even better. That's what I do. Anyway, it works quite well for me from experience.